Pandas Groupby count on multiple columns for specific string values only. I have a data frame like this. Now I want an aggregation of true action per day, which should look like. I applied group by, sum and count etc., but nothing is working for me as I have to aggregate multiple columns and I don't want to split the table into multiple data frames and resolve it individually and merge into one. Can someone please suggest any smart way to do it?
True and false in your dummy DF are strings, you can convert them to int and sum.
You can also try output.
Anyone seeing this answer should look at the answers by at Quangoang or at Vaishali. They are much better answers. I can't control what the op chooses, but you should go upvote those answers. Inspired by at Quangoang. Old answer. Fix your data frame such that it has actual true/false values. Then use Group B.
You can also use pivot table. Output.
Trust me, and the business is done.